Welcome, 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 welcome back to Charms Lifestyle channel. I am here with another video for you. I will be doing my hair today. I will be doing a dye wash routine, sharing with you one more time. So because I know that you love to know what is happening in Charms Lifestyle life, so I'm gonna share this one once more with you. So sit back, relax, and stay tuned. I will be with you shortly, okay? I will be using this dye today to get all these grays. You see these grays? Let me show you them. You think do you think Charms Lifestyle don't have gray hair? Yes, she does, and I'm gonna show you. Look at this. You think I don't have white hair? Yes, I do have white hair, but they are in the middle and slightly around the edges. There they are. So my aim is to get them black, and that is what I'm about to share with you. So here is my dye. My bowl is here. I am well equipped. Now, let's jump in our video. So let's go, guys. Let's go. So let's go. So here I have my dye mix. Yeah. And guys, everything that is done to my hair, I'm the one who do it. Everything, even when I used to wear interlock, I do it myself. Yeah. This is a bit complicated. You know why? I can't see very well. So it's a bit complicated, but I'm gonna get there because this is not my first time. Okay, guys? I have to be wearing the glasses, but I don't want to because I don't want it to get dyed up. And guys, remember, I'm dyeing my hair. So if you see a little black spot on me, it's not beaten by anyone. It's dye. This is the only dye that I get to use in my hair that's dye my hair properly. That lingers for a while. This is something I do all the time, guys, so I know exactly what I'm doing. It's, you know, it's just a bit complicated because you know how it goes when you're using a mirror. I'm using the phone. you know that I have to hurry, else the black will be left in the container. So you see this amount, I will just use it in this piece. I have 2 packs of dye, so it's okay. Hello. Guess what? Someone is calling my phone and I'm not stopping to go and answer it now. So whoever is calling, if it is important, they will call back or I'll get back to them. But for now, it's not now. It's not no. You know, I can hardly see. I can hardly see what I'm doing. But the glasses will not make it good for me. I'm gonna show you guys that this is gonna be done well, because you see in the middle section on the front, that is the areas that needed the dye most. Guess what, guys? You see this side? It's very awkward. That's my left side. But I'm gonna work it out somehow. No, it's not working out for me like that. This side is always a problem. No, I can't start on the front. In everything I do, this side is always a problem. And the dye is dripping on me. I'm gonna be black like tar, baby, when I'm done. Well, it's okay. This child is very awkward. Very. You see that? You see those whites? They have to go. They must go. I don't know. It seems as if something, the phone is not functioning properly. You see how stubborn they are, guys? They must go. They must. They will. They will and they must. God. So guys, here I am. Do you think I work messy, guys? Let me know. Let me know if you think that I work messy. So guys, if you like this video, let me know and stay tuned for part 2. Okay? Stay tuned for part 2, guys, and thank you all for watching.